What's up, y'all? This Chris with Crazy-Hobbies. What it do? I'm back with another video. So look, y'all, it's been 2 weeks since I uploaded some. Hell, I ain't know, I normally try to upload some every week. Whether I'm showing y'all something about the hobbies or talking about some about the hobbies or whatever. But I looked at the channel and I'm like, damn, it's been 2 weeks since I posted something. So I just want to get on here today, talk about a few things. One thing is Wake the Dead is 3 weeks away from now. It's in Jonesboro. So look, if y'all want to come check out the bill, come to Wake the Dead, check it out. Y'all can actually get a close-up of how this thing really get down. Another thing, so it had rained 5 days straight. One day, I think it was like last week. Let's see. Yeah, I think it was like last week. So my master amp on one of my 83s, it popped. So I actually bent down an amp, but I actually ran 3 subs to 1 amp, and man, this thing was still getting down. Like shit, I had all 4 of them working. But what I'm gonna do today, I'm gonna go back and I'm finna wire everything back up and strap them back how they was, and my buddy Courtney go come over here and we go get this thing tuned and do a couple test runs on it, y'all. Yep. But that's all I'm finna do today. I'm gonna set up a time lapse and y'all can check me out. Yep. But stay tuned. All right, y'all, got everything set up here what I need. All right, y'all, we doing a quick video before startup. So this is my master amp right here. This is my slave. Got it on slave. This my master. And this is my slave. I got my wires running negative to negative. Then I got my positive up here. I'm gonna have my negative down here from the speaker. I don't have the negatives in there first. First I'm gonna tune it. Then I'll put it in, making sure I got power, negative. Yep, everything look good. So fire this thing up, yo.
so good up on it. You ass nice, get this pussy